Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampItCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks for joining me for another video today. We are doing a third project using the Little Monkey bundle. It has the Little Monkey stamp set and this adorable monkey builder punch. Today, so we've done the last couple videos, we've done a card using all three monkeys, and we've done a little baby gift card and tag set. And today we're going to do a fun little, I call a minimalistic card, and we're using one of our basic white note cards and envelopes right here. I love these things. They're great to have on hand because they have less surface area we have to decorate. They're already cut, already scored, cute little envelopes, and you can stick these right in the mail. So they're great for making quick, easy cards. All right, I have a layer of pecan pie, and I'm going to post the measurements on my blog. So I'm not going to give those now, but if you want the measurements, you can certainly go to the link below. And then I've got a layer of basic white, and then I just have a scrap piece of basic white. So we're going to stamp our monkey. We'll go ahead and get him stamped, colored, and punched out. And then we're going to punch out a couple of bananas. Now, we do have, the punch will cut out, but I like to do these separately. I don't have them lined up, but I need two of them. So I'm just going to kind of stamp those over there, out of the way. And let's do a little coloring. It's easier to color when he's, what am I trying to say? Before I punch him. That wasn't that hard. Okay. I have had my coffee today. I'm doing just a hair bit of shading, not a lot. We'll just do a little bit, kind of around there. He's really small, so it doesn't take a lot to color him or her. We are not assigning anything. It's a monkey. Okay. Add a little bit on top. Okay. So this is a project we did at our new catalog class last Friday night. It was Cinco de Mayo, so we had a taco bar and margaritas. So we had a wonderful time. Anytime you can add margaritas to the mix, right? Okay, we'll just do a little bit of shading in there. That's good enough. Okay, let's do his face. And I'll put the blends that I use on my blog as well. Okay. Very quick, and let's get a little Daffodil Delight in here to color our bananas. Okay, so we are going to first punch out our monkey. And I had scooted those bananas far enough over that this isn't going to mess with them. Okay, let's get him centered there. That looks pretty good. And then we can bring our punch over and punch out those bananas. 1, 2. All right. I love punches. They are so quick and easy to use. Okay, let's grab our white. I'm gonna lay this here so I can see a little better where I'm stamping. I'm gonna be putting my monkey right about there, and I'm going to just do this sentiment that says, "I'm bananas about you." I'm gonna put this right here. Hopefully straight is the plan. Not perfect, but but close enough. All right, let's put these together. This is what I mean about putting these cards together so quick and easy. And you know, you could do the same layout, stamp and punch some flowers. You know, we have the sailboat. You could put the sailboat here. Anything with a punch is super cute. You just stamp your sentiment, add your punched image, and you are ready to go. Okay, love that little guy. All right, let's pop up our 2 bananas. Let's see, we're just gonna cut a couple little pieces off the edge. This should fit on here. Okay. I'm just gonna kind of have it like raining bananas. Raining bananas a little bit. That's it. How sweet is that? So cute. This is just minimalistic, super cute. Love it. And just having those items pop out just makes the card. All right, so I hope you enjoyed that. Oh wait, we're gonna have to stamp a banana on the front. That's all we need. It's just one little banana right there. Let's color him. Oh my gosh, who doesn't want to get that in the mail? I would love it. All right, thanks everybody. Make sure to check back on Thursday. We have another series of videos we're gonna do. We're gonna actually use some different, we're not focusing on one stamp set. We're gonna do several different stamps throughout that 3-day series. And then the following week is our card class on May 18th. So you want to check back on May 18th. We're doing online card class, and I'll have an ordering special for 10 days, the 18th through the 28th. So make sure to click subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos, and I will see you soon. Thanks everybody. Bye-bye.